Greetings. Welcome back to the 3-minute AI tip series for small business or for any business, really. And what I promised last time, which is the cheapest AI project you can run. So I've been assuming something you probably don't have. What actually happened based on data that you already have? Who left? Who paid? Who converted? Most businesses have actually never written that down. So today, the cheapest AI project you can run is what I'm going to present to you, and it fixes exactly that. Here it is. The cheapest AI project you can run is not a model, it's not a vendor, and it's not a license. It's one column. You already have the left-hand side. Facts about each customer, each quote, each invoice. What you're missing is the right-hand side. What happened next? The target column. And by the way, this can be applicable to any spreadsheet on the face of the planet. Monday morning, step 1. Pick one decision you make over and over. Which lead is worth chasing? Which invoice will go late? Which quote converts? Which customer quietly stops buying? One decision with an outcome you can look up if you had to. Step 2. Export the last 12 months out of whatever system you already pay for, the CRM, the accounting package, the booking system, the spreadsheet, CSV, one row per case. You are not buying anything here. This is a menu option you already own. Step 3. This is the whole project. Add one column and fill it in. Yes or no. Did it close? Did it pay? Did they stay? 200 rows is enough to know whether there's a signal in there. Sit down with whoever you already know knows the answers, and that person that already works for you. Look at the bill. No license, no vendor, no infrastructure, one afternoon. Compare that to the usual AI pilot, what we just discussed. Platform fees, 6 weeks of integration, consultants, and a demo at the end of it. The cheap one is what tells you whether the expensive one is even worth buying. And here's why you can't lose. Either there's a signal in the 200 rows, in which case you now have a model worth building, and episode 2 shows you the rest of it. Or there's nothing in there and you just saved yourself 6-figure pilot for the price of an afternoon. There is no third outcome. You either recognize a signal or you don't. We at Your Cloud Group do exactly this, and this is what we do. We find the column that's worth fitting, we build the first model for you in an afternoon, and then we hand it over. You keep the code, you keep the data, and there's no per row bill. This is something we specialize in doing. So that's it. Monday, you pick the decision. Tuesday, you export the year. Wednesday, you label 200 rows. Thursday, you look for the signal with your subject matter experts. And by Friday, you know something about your business that you didn't know on Monday, and you spent nothing to find out. Okay? So the next episode is going to be one chart that tells you whether your model is any good. It's what we produce at our service, and it's something you should be using. 3 minutes, same as always. Cheers.